With the MainWP Rocket integration, you can manage all your WP Rocket settings from a single dashboard. No need to switch between sites, control everything in one place. Easily install and activate WP Rocket on all your child sites directly from your MainWP dashboard, saving you time and hassle. Control all WP Rocket settings directly from your MainWP dashboard. Apply bulk optimizations across all sites or customize settings for each site individually, giving you flexibility and precision. Keep your sites running fast with one-click cache clearing and preloading across all your WordPress sites. No more manual cache management, just pure efficiency. Take control of your WordPress sites with MainWP and WP Rocket. Streamline performance, save time, and optimize your sites with ease. Like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP. Be sure to check out one of our other videos next.